What's up, everybody? We're here today with Aneta. She's our motor clothes manager, but today she's gonna be out here in the shop. What are we gonna do today, Aneta?
So today we're gonna take off my wheels because I really want to powder coat them white to match my tank. I also want a new set of bars, so we're gonna take my bars off.
So pretty much we're just gonna tear everything down today and send some stuff out to powder coat, wait for some parts to come in, and then we'll go back together.
Basically just gonna be sitting in that chair and you're just gonna be handing me tools.
No, I'm gonna sit in the chair and I'm gonna show you what to do. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. One on top and one on bottom. Oh, you got to do that lefty-loosey, righty-tighty thing.
I was just checking you guys.
Oh, you want to make sure it was torqued first? Okay, good deal. Is that the shop dogs? So have you ever worked on anything before?
Nope, sure haven't.
Like when you was growing up, you didn't like help nobody out, play with cars or anything like that?
I mean, I probably fixed my bicycle chain a couple times. Don't you scratch my bike.
Okay. Just so I know what's up, like if I scratch your bike, what happens?
Get this thing up your
It just got weird in here. It's your bike, you can take that stuff off.
I know, I'm gonna have to take my flannel off.
It's not that kind of video. You know what I mean? Power tools are fine.
So what happens if I break one of your tools?
What happens if you break one of my tools?
Yep.
You remember what we talked about when I scratched your bike? It's kind of the same thing, just in another direction. This sissy bar is like straight up and down. It's kind of weird looking. It's not going to go with the risers and the bars. It's not going to go with anything really. And it's not like she's carrying nobody. And it's not 1974.
So basically, I have a sissy bar for sale, guys.
And then I found out how proud she was when they put it on there, and I felt bad to tell her. I had to break it to her real easy. The sissy bar's got to go.
Oh, R.I.P.
R.I.P. She's doing big things now. What do we do here?
My hand's a little dirty today.
Yeah? Doing what?
Took the back wheel and front wheel off and took the handlebars off.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna send the wheels out for powder coat. We got some risers, hard case risers, Lucky Dave bars coming for it. We got a new Speedo mount coming for it. It's gonna put it over to the side. It'll be pretty cool.
Pumped.
Did a good job. Yeah.